Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This person was casually driving around on 3 wheels. Here's a cat that stands like this. Here's an MRI of what it looks like when you rub your eyes.
You cannot have an entire loaf of bread! Stop it! I don't care! You can't! Get off!
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces. Would you swim in a pool with a glass bottom view like this? This dog is trying to plead that it's innocent.
My headrest.
Babe.
You do. You lift your tail up. No, you lift your tail up and you rub your butt on the headrest of the front seat. No, you're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to. No, you're not.
This Christmas light display is absolutely amazing.
Stay down there, buddy. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo!
I wanted to quickly mention that today is my birthday, so thank you for spending some time with me. I really appreciate it, and all the birthday messages make me so happy. And that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.